Venmo versus Netspend, a comprehensive comparison. Account types. Venmo predominantly offers a single type of account, primarily designed for seamless peer-to-peer payments and convenient bill splitting among friends. Conversely, Netspend caters to a diverse demographic by providing prepaid debit card accounts, specifically tailored to individuals seeking alternative banking solutions or those lacking access to traditional bank accounts. Funding methods. Venmo facilitates account funding through multiple channels, including bank transfers, debit cards, and credit cards, ensuring users have versatile options to add funds to their accounts. Netspend enhances flexibility by offering various funding avenues such as direct deposit, bank transfers, and reloads at participating locations, catering comprehensively to users' diverse financial needs and preferences. Spending and withdrawal. Venmo streamlines spending activities with its user-friendly app interface and the Venmo MasterCard, empowering users to make purchases seamlessly both online and in physical stores, alongside convenient ATM cash withdrawals. Netspend mirrors this functionality with its prepaid debit cards, enabling users to conduct transactions, pay bills, and withdraw cash globally from ATMs, ensuring convenience and accessibility in managing finances. Sending and receiving. Both Venmo and Netspend excel in facilitating money transfers between users. Venmo distinguishes itself with its social-oriented features, allowing users to share payments and engage with friends through interactive comments and images, fostering a sense of community and connection. Netspend, on the other hand, prioritizes simplicity and efficiency in money transfers, ensuring straightforward transactions between Netspend accounts and external bank accounts without compromising on security or reliability. Fees and charges. Venmo typically imposes minimal fees for transactions funded via linked bank accounts or debit cards, with additional charges applicable for credit card-funded transactions and instant transfers, ensuring transparency and affordability for users. In contrast, Netspend may levy various fees, depending on the chosen plan and usage, including monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, and ATM withdrawal fees, requiring users to carefully consider their usage patterns to optimize cost-effectiveness and financial management. Security and accessibility. Both Venmo and Netspend prioritize the security and integrity of users' financial transactions, employing robust encryption technologies and multi-factor authentication protocols to safeguard sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access, ensuring peace of mind for users in their digital transactions. Additionally, Netspend offers optional purchase protection services, further enhancing security measures and user confidence in financial transactions. Customer support. Venmo extends customer support primarily through its user-friendly app interface and website, supplemented by comprehensive fax, guides, and email support channels, ensuring users have access to essential resources and assistance whenever needed. Netspend goes a step further by offering comprehensive customer service via multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat support, guaranteeing prompt and personalized assistance to address users' queries and concerns effectively, thereby enhancing overall user experience and satisfaction. Target audience. Venmo caters predominantly to younger demographics, particularly millennials and Gen Z, seeking a seamless and socially integrated payment experience that aligns with their digital lifestyle. Its intuitive app interface and emphasis on simplicity and convenience make it a preferred choice among this demographic. In contrast, Netspend targets a broader audience, including individuals seeking alternative banking solutions or managing their finances without traditional banking services, such as those with limited banking access or adverse credit history, providing a reliable and accessible financial platform for diverse user needs and preferences, thereby ensuring financial inclusivity and empowerment for all users.